Do you want to see the best value in the Naples zip code of 34102? Well, let me show you 1227 11th Street North. Let's go. Now at a high level, there's 4,322 square feet, 5 bedrooms, plus a den, 4.5 bath. So as you enter the home, the first thing you notice is how great and wide everything is, right? This is the style that everybody wants. Eliza helped us with kitchen design and detail, and they are awesome. Just some examples of the details that they help bring to the table. These are extremely heavy, very robust cabinets. So not only the two-tone, but you see the additional detail, and there's just cabinetry everywhere. So even if you go to the other side of the island, you notice the edge here. Again, great example of the quality and the creativity, but you also have space underneath. So you got all these cabinets with tons of space. And then there's a little bit more. You can sit in the kitchen. It flows naturally to the living room, and then outdoors you have your dining space here as well. And then you have the grand bar, because you need a cocktail every now and again. So as I had mentioned, we worked really hard on this layout, not only to get the VIP suite downstairs, or an extra bedroom in addition to the master. The lot really would be western exposure, but we wanted to take advantage of the corner lot, and you have your southern exposure, so we have sun all day. So as you walk through the outdoor area, obviously you have the outdoor kitchen. That's a must. That's what everybody wants, right? You have good dining space here. This is going to be your TV wall. You'll notice all the features, especially the character on the ceiling detail, all the fixtures, all high-end fixtures. Another thing that was a priority for us was as you exit the master, you could be close to the spa. You'll also notice we extended the deck, so we have a little bit more space on the southern portion of the house. So we had a very robust landscape package. So you give it probably a year, give or take, and all you're gonna see is roof line. So this is gonna be a fortress. So it'll be very, very private. Big bedroom here, big windows, tons of light in here. As you can see, we have 2 closets, and I'm in the bigger one, so naturally that's hers. And then we have a washer dryer in here as well, just to make it easier. This has been really good feedback on this. This is the Andrew special. He did it at his house. We're doing this on another project in Coquina, but it's just, you gotta have a second washer dryer in this size of a home, and it's really clutch to have at the master. Tons of cabinet space in the master bath. Very wide, grand, big master shower. The den, or the office. A lot of people work from home now. Even if you don't work from home, you want to have this space. Good sized room here. Love the photos. Shout out to Vesta. They crushed it on the staging. Not only the furniture, but the photos. This is pool bath. This is not the bathroom to the VIP suite. So we know that's a running joke with our team. Chanel always says, where's the pool bath? Because you don't want kids running through the house wet. So pool area. Pool bath. Let's go see the VIP suite. Again, we could close this off. Grandma and grandpa, friend, visitor, has their own restroom. Have access to the pool area. In and out, give you a little bit more privacy. There was a great team on this, right? Not only the builders are Cameron and Greg, but our other development partners, Jen and Kelly, a lot of experience, and then you have your designer, and then you have Eliza. So that is the strength. You'll always hear me say, the strength is our team. The strength is our team. Whether it's this project or anything, we have a lot of smart, talented people weighing in, and it's just fun to be a part of having an awesome result. So you have this big loft area, right? You could set, we debated a lot of discussion on how were we gonna set this up versus this room. Because you could have made this a game room and left that a bedroom. We have this set up as a flex room. We've talked to a lot of new clients or clients who are like, we really need 2 offices. You could probably set this up as an office and as a gym. There's a lot of flexibility, a lot of utility, and again, I think that's one of the big reasons why we've had such good feedback on this layout. So 3 bedrooms up here. This is the bedroom, really big room. Again, it's a flex room, but it's a bedroom because we have 2 closets. And then another bedroom upstairs. This one is an ensuite and it's a huge room. The running joke is, who's the favorite kid? They probably get this room. The builder was Blue Horizon Construction. Designer was R&Co. Eliza consulted, they did all the cabinetry work in the kitchen. And then we had South Florida Architecture to help us with the architecture or the design of the home. Did you like this house? Well, our next one's gonna be even better, and we have a few others in the pipeline. If you wanna learn more about our upcoming projects, reach out.